PHS mold is an efficient, cost-effective, modular solution for rapid air raid shelter construction. The hydraulic system drives the internal and external formworks to close gradually. Adjacent external molds are locked with taper pins, forming a stable and unified structure for concrete pouring. The internal molds move smoothly along the preset path. Supports and positioning components are reasonably and clearly arranged to ensure stable operation. Workers check each locking point to ensure it is firmly secured. Concrete is poured evenly into the mold, forming the structure step by step. After the concrete reaches the required demolding strength, the demolding process begins in sequence. Limiters and locking devices are released first. Then the hydraulic system is activated to demold the internal mold. Operate the hydraulic system via remote control to separate the mold from the concrete. Release the locking devices between the two adjacent external molds. Then the external mold is demolded, operating smoothly with stable motion. Exposing the cast body for subsequent handling. The finished product is smoothly lifted out by the crane. Good concrete forming quality and controllable dimensions. The PHS mold features a high level of automation. Through remote control operation, the entire molding and demolding process can be completed within 10 minutes, ensuring consistent quality.